The jacket water pump is a critical component of the cooling system on a ship, specifically designed to circulate coolant, usually treated fresh water, through the engine's cooling jackets. It helps regulate the temperature of the engine components, such as the cylinder liners, cylinder heads, and turbochargers, preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance. Purpose of the jacket water pump. 1. Cooling the engine. The main purpose of the jacket water pump is to remove the heat generated during the combustion process in the engine cylinders. It circulates the coolant through the water jackets surrounding the engine components to absorb heat. 2. Maintaining optimal operating temperatures. Engines operate most efficiently within a specific temperature range. The jacket water pump helps maintain this range, ensuring that the engine does not overheat or operate at excessively low temperatures, both of which can lead to inefficiencies or damage. 3. Enhancing durability. By preventing overheating and ensuring uniform temperature distribution, the pump reduces thermal stress on the engine components. This prolongs the life of critical parts like cylinder liners, pistons, and cylinder heads. Operation of the jacket water pump. The jacket water pump is usually driven by the engine itself or by an electric motor. Its operation involves the following steps. Point 1. Coolant circulation. The pump draws treated coolant from a reservoir or expansion tank. It circulates the coolant through the engine's water jackets, absorbing heat from the engine's cylinder liners, cylinder heads, and other critical parts. 2. Heat transfer. After absorbing heat, the hot coolant flows to a heat exchanger or cooler, where it transfers the heat to seawater or another cooling medium. In some systems, a central cooling system with a separate seawater circuit is used for efficiency and corrosion prevention. 3. Return to engine. The cooled coolant is then returned to the engine by the pump, completing the cycle. 4. Temperature control. Thermostatic valves may regulate the coolant flow to ensure consistent engine temperatures. During startup, when the engine is cold, the valve may bypass the heat exchanger to allow the engine to warm up quickly. Maintenance of the jacket water pump. Proper maintenance is crucial for reliable operation of the jacket water pump and the cooling system as a whole. Maintenance tasks include inspecting and cleaning. Regularly check for clogging in the pump and coolant pathways. Clean as necessary to maintain flow. Seal and bearing maintenance. Inspect seals and bearings to prevent leaks or mechanical failures. Coolant treatment. Use treated coolant to prevent corrosion and scaling within the cooling system. Regularly check for correct levels and quality. Monitoring for wear. Over time, pump impellers and casings may wear out and need replacement. System testing. Perform regular tests to check for proper flow rates and temperature regulation. Common challenges. 1. Corrosion and scaling. Untreated or poorly treated coolant can cause corrosion in the water jackets and scale deposits in the pump and heat exchanger, reducing efficiency. 2. Seal failures. Pump seals can wear out due to prolonged operation or abrasive particles in the coolant, leading to leaks. 3. Air entrapment. Air trapped in the cooling system can cause cavitation in the pump, reducing efficiency and potentially damaging the impeller. 4. Overheating. A malfunctioning pump or blockages in the system can cause insufficient cooling, leading to engine overheating. Conclusion. The jacket water pump is an essential part of the ship's engine cooling system, ensuring efficient operation and preventing costly engine damage due to overheating. Regular maintenance and proper coolant treatment are key to its reliability and longevity. Understanding its purpose and operation highlights its vital role in maritime operations.